how to apply for Monzo credit card. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Google Chrome, and after that you need to open up Google and search for Monzo Flex credit card. After that you need to scroll down, and here you get different sponsored posts, so don't click on them. Just scroll down, and here you will be able to find the official link for the credit card, and it says that Monzo Flex, an award-winning credit card. Simply click on it, then wait for it to load. After that, this is how it will appear. Here you will have to click on this option of open a Monzo account. Simply click on it and wait for it to load. Here it will ask you to start the application, and in case if you want to start the application, just simply put your email address over here and click on submit, and this way you would be able to get a QR code. You just have to scan that particular QR code with your mobile device and you would be able to download Monzo. Just create your account on Monzo, and after that you would be able to apply for a credit card using Monzo, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.